Yo, what's up, everybody? We're back here in the garage with some updates with the throttle body swap, and we're going to show you on this cold afternoon in PA. Let's have it. So we got the Fox finished up. Now I'm sure I'm gonna need a tune now that we're giving the 3-valve some more air. But I just wanted to see if it would work how it is. Like I said, there's not a lot of info. Some people said you could get away with just plugging this throttle body in, but we're also adding a JLT air intake. So we'll see if this tune is able to handle it. Like I said, I'm sure we'll have to give it a retune, freshen it up, but this is what it's looking like. So first thing you see, we had to cut the front of the cover to keep the engine cover, and then we added these little pads, so it's kind of just like flopping in here right now. And we still have the rear studs on it. I never had any bolts because I always work on this thing and it comes off quite frequently. So this is the gt500 throttle body on here. We got the JLT intake to work. We had to do some mods, and you could see we cut up the, whatever you want to call it, the box, the air blocker. We cut it up to make it sort of work. And then we had to modify the end of the intake. We had to cut the bead off the end of the intake to let the air filter, as you can see, come on the intake slightly further, because I didn't have time or the funds to get a smaller filter that would have probably helped out also and made it work a little better. But the intake is on there. The adapter coupler. We had to modify my little brackets I made a little bit so we could tweak the coolant tank over a little bit. And this is what it's looking like. So hopefully we'll maybe get some more power, maybe get it on the dyno to get the retune and get some more numbers and see what this is pushing and capable of. Now the first startup, I started it up already. I'll start it up for you guys, but when it's cold, it doesn't like this cold, and it's rough starting it up, but when it gets going, it's fine. It seems fine. We haven't test drove it yet. We're gonna give it another once over after I fire it up, and we're gonna test it out to see what it's doing, see how it's running. So let's give it a little quick fire up, see if we'll fire up. Dropping everything. So make sure it's in neutral. So it's a little warmed up right now, so it has a little bit of a better start up. To learn it a little. body. And so it doesn't sound too bad. Definitely better throttle response. I'll shut it off. Don't want to smoke us out in here. So this is what the finished setup's looking like. They're probably ain't gonna do nothing crazy. And we're gonna leave it as a driver. Leave it like this. So this is what the 3-valve swap Fox is looking like. We're gonna take it for a test drive, and we're gonna get back to you on that. So with that being said, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and you know what to do till that next one. Peace.